What's up, YouTube? It's your boy TJ
and your girl Crystal,
and we are back again with another banger. And today, y'all, today is about to go down, man, because we gonna be reacting to
Yelawolf Dog House.
Y'all know we've been dropping them bangers back to back, and I'm ready to see what he's talking about on this. Wait. Doghouse. I wonder if he's talking about he got put in the doghouse out there. You know what I mean? Fucking around.
Yeah, you got put in the doghouse.
Shit, gotta be more quicker than that.
There you go.
You ready?
With the dog.
Yeah. Hold up. Yeah.
He dressed like a damn puppy too. The hell?
Catfish, really though.
It's a doggy dog world.
Yeah. Walking around, pacing back and forth I go. What's on my mind? When I go down that road, what do I do? Hang up the phone, walk away. You told me you'll be back someday. Bitch, you lie.
What's that song that's like that? Dun 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 dun. I can't remember. Hold on.
Back someday. Bitch, you lie. Bitch, you lie. Bitch, you lie. Bitch, you lied every time. And now I'm in a doghouse. And I'll be out till the morning sipping whiskey till I can't walk straight. For running my big mouth. Out with the boys till the early morning party and the problem away. We all in
He
that.
say he gonna party the problem away.
Yeah, I wonder how that's gonna help.
In country rap, and not just country rap, cause rap in general, that what happens to problems. They get partied away, and they don't get forgot about the next day.
No.
Niggas still like, no.
Problems still.
Hey, you still owe me money. You know what I mean?
Yeah, the problem's still right there.
Facts.
Doghouse, and I'll be out till the morning sipping whiskey till I can't walk straight. For running my big mouth out with the boys till the early morning party and the problem away. We all in that. I get drunk, hold my head at the bar. There was you, baby. Please pick up my call. I'm just me. Rowdy boys,
Try to crown that dog out.
should've known when you said we'd be okay. But bitch, you lie, bitch, you lie, bitch, you lie, bitch, you lied every time. And now I'm in a doghouse, and I'll be out till the morning sipping whiskey till I can't walk straight.
I like the vibe on this, man. The vibe on this right now, I definitely got to give a 9.6. The beat is raw as fuck. Got to give a 9.7 on the beat right now.
Okay.
It's still doing its thing. Salute to your boy Yelawolf getting it in.
I'll be out
Back
till
to
the
back
morning
to
sipping
back.
whiskey till I can't walk straight.
Now, what's the name of this album? The
Mud Mouth.
Mud Mouth.
For running my big mouth out with the boys till the early morning party and the problem away. We all in that doghouse, and I'll be out till the morning sipping whiskey till I can't walk straight. For running my big mouth out with the boys till the early morning party and the problem away. We all in that. I don't really know him. One of us is a total mess. Most of you, I can't take the fall. I'm too damn proud to just hold my breath. I speak.
Most of y'all can't take the fall because I'm too damn proud to just hold my breath, man. Look, you gotta put your pride to the motherfucking side to be able to compromise and start to strive. You did. Straight up.
Total mess, must be you, I can't take the fall, cause I'm too damn proud to just hold my breath. I speak up when I feel down, I feel down when I speak up. You don't want the bus, gotta grip on shit.
I speak down when I feel down when I speak up. I speak up because I feel down. Nice.
Speak up when I feel down. I feel down when I speak up. Neither one of us got a grip on shit. Or maybe that grip's just too damn tough. Confusing the heart is true. I know what the girl needs, false. I'm good as an artist, true. I know how to just talk, false. The point of it all is lost. It's all a joke, I thought. I'm blowing smoke, exhaust. That's not a COVID cough. Fuck it all, it's just bottles.
That's not a COVID cough. That's motherfucking sticky.
Man, for real, like every time you get a regular like little sickness or whatever, it's like, is it COVID? You hear somebody cough, you're like, oh shit, like it's real, like tense. Like me, even I'm feeling like a damn truck ran over me right now.
Man, baby.
And I don't know if it's just like regular that allergy code that when the seasons change and everything, or what if I got COVID? I don't know.
No, you ain't got no COVID.
I hope it's just a regular sickness.
Yeah.
Bottoms up, ashtray full of marble butts. Must be tripping with a klutz. What you sipping? What the fuck? In the doghouse where I live, bro. Oh, you too? Pump the elbows. 2 bricks holding up a goalpost. Kicked out, she kicked the field goal. Damn. Got me.
Kicked out.
Now
Let's
I'm
go.
in the doghouse, and I'll be out till the morning, sipping whiskey till I can't walk straight. Running my big mouth, out with the boys till the early morning, party in the problem away. We all in that doghouse, and I'll be out till the morning, sipping whiskey till I can't walk straight. Running my big mouth, out with the boys till the early morning, party in the problem away. We all in that. Oh, you too?
All in the door.
I already know. Big mouth.
I like that beat, bruh.
That's on me. Doghouse. Matter of fact. Hey, bartender. Big mouth. Let's get around the creek water over here.
That was a banger.
That was a dope little song. That's like he was just sitting around bullshitting. You know what I mean? That's a dope little song.
You fuck with it?
Yeah.
Salute then. What do you give out between 1 and 10?
You were a 9.4.
Salute to your boy Yelawolf. Bars was about a 9.4 overall. I gotta give it a 9.5. Rocking with the boy Yelawolf. You
Right.
But y'all, if y'all want more Yelawolf, how many likes should this video get, and when should it get it?
Give me 56.
And when?
Whenever y'all feel like it.
Okay, we need 56 likes. The other part, I speak no English because we need that today. You know what I mean?
Today.
56 likes, we'll react to the next comment with more than 10 likes. If a comment get 10 likes, guess what? We will react to that song. I don't give a damn
we will.
if that was Yelawolf motherfucking underground single before the nigga started rapping. If that was done on a karaoke set, I don't give a damn. We get 10 likes, we will react to it.
Oh,
Yadi.
snap.
Anything else?
That's all I got.
We out.